Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, welcome back. Hope you are doing good. Now in this first module, which is a part of free version or free course on Udemy, we are going to cover the introduction and architecture as part of Digipede, and this is what welcome to Digipede is, because those who are already familiar, those who have been a part of basics of e-commerce, my previous course in the journey or advanced, they are already there on Digipede and Udemy too. You can buy it from anywhere. Some courses are exclusively on Digipede, some courses are on both the platforms, and you can check it out and we'll see. So in this course, we are going to see the introduction and architecture, and as we said, we will be covering a lot of topics here. For example, what has been the history, what is the different type of frameworks which has been provided by Salesforce from B2C world, or even before Salesforce was in the picture. So the history is really interesting for B2C commerce here. So we have also covered that, and we have also covered the different type of frameworks, as I said, like Site Genesis, SFRA, etc., APIs, etc. We have also covered different type of tools that we have, different type of accesses, and where do you need to do what. And we have also covered the SFCC architecture and the typical architecture of e-commerce. So some of the things are here, some of the things are about basics of e-commerce. So those who have not done my basics of e-commerce, I would request you to also enroll it first in that basics of e-commerce, because few things we cannot explain it here because of time constant. So if you are coming to the e-commerce world for the first time, I will strongly suggest you to also take that course. It is available on Udemy again. You can check this out. There are feedbacks, reviews, just review it and go for that course, because some topics may not be covered here. All right, so hope without any further ado, see you in the first session of introduction to architecture. Till then, take care, bye bye.